my beautiful people. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are all doing great as well as keeping safe. I have another very simple recipe for today. It's called chicken wings. I'm going to show you in another way you can be able to enjoy your chicken wings without frying. So without wasting much of your time, I introduce you all the ingredients. Here I have my soya. This is my curcuma, which is my turmeric, my curry, my garlic powder, my pepper, and my salt. And these are all what I've been needing to prepare my chicken wings without frying. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the preparation for my chicken wings for today. Gente, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio a tutti voi, come state? Spero che state tutti bene. Oggi c'è un'altra ricetta da presentare a voi, che sarebbe il pollo, l'alete di pollo. Quindi tutto questo che mi serve per preparare questo alete di pollo, c'è soia, c'è un po' di curcuma, c'è un po' di tutto questo che c'è da preparare. Quindi non andate via, sedete sul vostro divano, come sempre, solito, comodo, mentre vedrete come faccio a preparare questo alete di pollo senza fritti. Let's go. I'm going to add my curcuma, my curry, garlic powder, salt, my pepper, then I'm going to add, I have not opened yet the soya. Oh yeah, I'm going to open it. It's taking me time. Guys, I'm able to open it now. So I'm going to add my soya. Then I'm going to mix with my hands and allow it to marinate for about 20 minutes. Oh, bella gente, ha visto, ho mischiato tutte le cose, quindi ora lo lascio riposare per ventina di minuti. Okay, as you guys can see, so now I'll cover and allow to marinate for 20 minutes. Bella gente, 20 minuti, ora si va. You guys make sure the frying pan is very hot before pouring in. Assicurate che la padella è calda. Ora mettiamo dentro tutto. Then I'm going to stir. Giriamo bene bene. Then I'm going to get a cover and I'm going to cover it and allow it to steam. Very low heat for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and see how it's doing. Let me get cover. I'm going to cover. I'll see you guys in 20 minutes time. Ci vediamo fra 20 minuti. Look. Oh, you guys can see. Now I have to turn. Come potete vedere, bella gente, you guys can see. So I need to turn now. So it still has to cook. So this is our chicken wings without frying. So let me just drop the camera so I can be able to turn so the other side can cook. Come potete vedere, bella gente, questo alete di pollo senza friggere, perché non possiamo sempre mangiare la roba fritta. Ora bisogna girare un pochettino, vediamo un po' com'è dall'altra parte. To turn to the other side, as you guys can see. So I'm still gonna allow it to cook here for another 20 minutes on a very low heat. You guys just take a very closer look how it's looking. Bella gente, come potete vedere non ho fritto, quindi lasciamo ancora cuocere per altri 20 minuti a fuoco lento e poi la nostra alletto di pollo sarà pronta per essere mangiate. Look, our chicken wings without frying is ready. Bella gente, è pronta. Thank you very much guys for watching. Thanks for your support. So in case you're just walking across seeing my video for the very first time, I'm Efetobore Rosemary. I do a lot of things: cooking, vlogging, lifestyle, unboxing, mukbang. Hit the subscribe button, it's free of charge, as well as the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be among the first to be notified To all my subscribers, thank you. My new and my old as well. I'm really very grateful. We guys, stay good, stay blessed, stay safe, be motivated. Remember always to love yourself. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. See you in my next one. Thanks. Bye, guys. Hasta luego.